right, let's get this stuff out of the way. As you could tell by my confined space and moving stuff, I've been busy. I got things to do, lots of them. So today I want to try and get something done on this. It's been far too long. I need to keep going. I need to, for my own health, I think. I don't know. But what I want to do today, not a whole lot. I want to get this off, these off, this off. That'll give me access to that rear end so that in the future I can finish that bottom up and stuff. But then sand and body work these so I can spray them one day after work. It's not the right socket. I need a smaller one. Let's go with this guy because it's dirty, so he's probably the one. And that's 8, so let's take this too. Oh, yes. Okay, that'll work there. What do we have here? It's been so long I forgot. So he's going to be a big one. All right, now this guy's off until it's time to put him back on when it's all done. Nope, before we do that, let's get this so I don't have to worry about it then after. So that's something I'm going to do too. I'm going to cut and shorten those because that's annoying. Look at all that access. Looks kind of funny without that, doesn't it? No, it doesn't. It looks like the bee's knees. Alright, so those fenders, the only things I want to work right now, and I wish to sand them. So I'm going to use 220 grit. No, I'm going to use that later. For now, I'm going to use 80. Space is premium in here, especially with this car. Jeez. Now let's find the right one. These are going to be M6, I believe. Alright, now we're going to go with each of these, just to make sure that they will seat in there. Watch this magic. Boom. Alright, well, I've decided that this thing's for fun. And these actually don't look too horrible. There's going to be some wavy lines, there's going to be depressions. All those imperfections are going to be very apparent once this is finished. However, I'm also going to be driving this and using this and plowing with this and whatever and beating it up anyway, so what does it really matter? It's going to get tore up regardless. Alright, now for the inside I'm going to do something different than I am for the outside, but I don't know how they're going to react together, so I want to do them at the same time so I don't have one messing up the other after it's cured. So I have this bed liner, and I am going to be putting bed liner on the inside. I'm going to use a rag. Alright, now I need to wait 1 to 2 hours for it to dry completely, and then I can do it again. So, it's so windy out here right now. Probably not the best time to do this, but when you don't have time, it is the best time. So it's windy, it's sunny, and it's dry. So the primer dried pretty much immediately. I gave it a few minutes just to take a break. And then I'm gonna spray the green. Now I'm doing it this way, that way when I come back and do this, any overspray from the green will be sealed up and it'll be a nice clean edge again. I gotta let that stuff on the inside sit 1 to 2 hours. It's probably only been 20-30 minutes. So here we go. Let's do this one because it seems to be the most exposed to wind. Let's see here. Doesn't seem to matter which direction. Alright, that's gonna be it now for the green. I'm just gonna have to wait for this to dry and then I can do another coat on it. All right, now it's all applied. Hopefully that's enough. It's 2 coats. It says it recommends at least 2 coats for adequate coverage. Plus I was doing this, so hopefully it's good. We'll see. There might still be some light spots or something, but you know, at this point, whatever, right? It looks like it's completely coated though, so I'm happy. And the weather isn't right now. I don't know if you can see. So I wasn't expecting any rain, but now it's supposed to rain. I'm not sure what time though. But I'm gonna try and move these carefully so they can finish drying. There we go. Perfect.